Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates. So for tennis elbow, the chief exercises are eccentric contractions. Eccentric contraction is when you load a muscle in its short position and then you hold the load as you lengthen it. Eccentric contraction. This will help to lengthen the tight bands in the muscle, and it does that by adding to the sarcomeres. Sarcomeres are like chain links in a chain, the chain of the muscle fiber. This is how we do eccentric contraction for the hairy side of the forearm. This is specifically for tennis elbow. Pain here on the bony prominence. So we hold a candle, we've got the wrist in extension. From like a captain's salute, we'll just reach forward and twist and relax and come out. Looks like paddling a canoe. If there's shoulder impingement happening here, well, don't take it so far. Just keep the elbow down. We just try the other side. Hold a candle, captain salute, you reach forward. Now there's about 100 to 150 centimeters between, and put the wrist into flexion. And away we go. The other eccentric exercise is for a related condition to tennis elbow, radial tunnel syndrome. Now, if the tennis elbow is pain on that bony point here, the radial tunnel syndrome is going to be ache through here. And for the radial tunnel syndrome, we're going to lengthen out tight bands within a muscle called the supinator. Supinator muscle is like a band that runs from the ulna to the radius along here. If we take palm up, that supinator muscle is in the short position, and I'll just mimic what that might look like. And so if we take palm down, watch the finger and thumb, watch the spreading between them. Narrow and wide. That's the short position, that's the long position. We'll just take the stick, that's the short position for the supinator. Put a load on. It's like twisting the ball cock at a water treatment station. There we go. Lengthening under load. We'll just change hands and a straight wrist and short position of the supinator muscle. Resist the twist and relax it back. Resist the twist. Well, we've had our warm-ups, we've had our eccentric exercises, and now we want to look at some massage of trigger points, but also with some pinning action as well.